Good morning, students. Today my topic is chemical kinetics. What is the meaning of chemical kinetics? It is the branch of chemistry which deals with the study of rates of a reaction and their mechanism called chemical kinetics. The word kinetics is derived from Greek word. The word kinetics is derived from Greek word meaning movement. Movement. Classification of chemical reactions based on their speed. First is fast reaction. Those reactions which takes very few seconds are called fast reaction. Those reactions which takes very few seconds in completion, that is reactants change into products in very few seconds. Very few seconds is called fast reaction. Example, every ionic reactions are very fast reactions. It takes place very few seconds. Sodium hydroxide in aqueous medium with hydrochloric acid in aqueous medium, that will give sodium chloride plus H2O. Note, most of the ionic reactions are very fast reactions. Most of the ionic reactions are fast reaction. The second is moderate reaction. Those reactions which are completed in very few minutes or hour is called moderate reaction. Those reaction which takes few minutes or few hours in completion of reactants into product is called moderate reactions. Example, Sarkozy Third is slow reactions. Those reactions which takes very few long time in completion is called slow reactions. Those reactions which takes very long period of time in completion is called slow reaction. Example, rusting of iron. Second, formation of coal, etc. Rate of chemical reaction. It can be defined as the change of concentration of reactants or product in unit time is called rate of reaction. Can be defined as the change of concentration of reactant or product in unit time is called rate of chemical reaction. We can say that in other words, we can say that rate of decrease of concentration of reactant or increase of concentration of product is known as rate of reaction. Rate of decrease of concentration of reactant or rate of increase of concentration of product is known as rate of reaction. Mathematically, rate of reaction is equal to what is the meaning of plus and minus sign. Plus indicate that there is increase of concentration of product and minus sign so that there is decrease of concentration of reactant. Unit of rate of reaction is mole per liter per time inverse. Time can be second, hour or minutes. Expressing the rate of chemical reaction, it means that how can express the rate of chemical reaction. Suppose that we have considered a reaction. Now rate of reaction or reaction rate can be written as so now rate of reactions is equal to decrease in concentration of reactant A and equal to decrease in concentration of reactant B is equal to increase of concentration of C. When rate of reactions are written, if there is any stoichiometric coefficients are given in a chemical reaction, so we can divide this stoichiometric coefficient in denominator. Here 2 is a stoichiometric coefficient in product. So now the rate of reactions is equal to plus 1 by 2 into change into concentration of C divided upon change in time taken. Now the square bracket indicates that concentration, delta sign indicates that change, and T denotes time taken. So now we can say that rate of reactions can be also be defined as the rate of disappearance of A is equal to negative sign of change in concentration of A upon time taken. Rate of disappearance of A is equal to now rate of disappearance of V, rate of appearance of C is equal to, okay. Now you have see that in if you write the rate of disappearance of reactant A or B, or if you write the rate of appearance of C, now you have see that there is no stoichiometric coefficient are written in the rate of disappearance of reactant or rate of appearance of product. Now again I am repeating that if you write the rate of disappearance or rate of appearance of any reactant or product, so we cannot be divided the stoichiometric coefficient of any reactant or product. Average rate, change in concentration of the species taking part in a reaction divided by the time taken is called average rate. Now the definition is change in concentration of the species taking part in the reaction divided by the time taken instantaneous rate. What is the meaning of instantaneous rate? Rate of change of molar concentration of any species at any instant of time is called instantaneous rate. Instantaneous means instant of time. Rate of change of molar concentration of any species at any instant of time. Example, the reactants A change into product B and C. So now the rate of reaction becomes this is called the instantaneous rate of reaction. D, where D denotes very small changes. Now the next topic is what are the factors affecting the rate of reaction. The first is concentration. Second is temperature. Third is catalyst. Fourth is light. And fifth is surface area. And sixth is nature of reactants. So now I am discussing about one by one. Now the first is concentration. So now if you change the concentration of a reactants, then rate of reactions are always be changes. It means that if you increase the concentration of reactant, then rate of reactions will increases. If you decrease the concentration, obviously rate of reactions always will be decreases. And the first is effect of concentration of reactant. The rate of reaction increases as the concentration of reactant increases and vice versa. It means that rate of reaction is directly proportional to concentration of reactant. Now the second is effect of temperature on reaction rate. Generally we know that if you increase the temperature, then rate of reactions will be increased. Generally rate of reaction increases when generally rate of reaction is increasing when temperature is increases. It means that rate is directly proportional to temperature. Why the rate of reactions increases when temperature increases? Because when temperature increases, rate of reactions will be increases because kinetic energy of reactant molecules increases, due to which number of collisions increases. So rate of reaction increases. That's okay. Thank you.